Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the way we work, automate tasks, and generate income. In 2025, AI-powered tools are no longer just an advantage, they are a necessity for anyone looking to build a profitable side hustle or a full-time business. In this video, we will explore the top AI tools that can help you make money this year. The first AI tool on our list is ChatGPT, an advanced language model that can generate human-like text. This tool is widely used for content creation, customer service automation, and even AI-driven copywriting. By leveraging ChatGPT, freelancers can offer writing services, automate responses for businesses, or create engaging social media content in a fraction of the time. Next, we have MidJourney, an AI image generation tool that has revolutionized the design industry. With MidJourney, you can create high-quality visuals for social media, product branding, and digital marketing campaigns. Many entrepreneurs are already selling AI-generated artwork and logos, making it a lucrative business opportunity. Another powerful AI tool is Pictory.ai, which enables users to convert text into engaging video content. Whether you are a content creator, marketer, or business owner, Pictory helps you create professional videos without any prior editing experience. This AI tool is perfect for YouTube automation, explainer videos, and even affiliate marketing promotions. One of the most in-demand AI tools today is Jasper.ai, an AI writing assistant that specializes in generating high-quality blog posts, product descriptions, and sales copy. With Jasper, businesses can scale their content marketing strategies and save hours on writing tasks. Many entrepreneurs use Jasper to start freelance writing businesses or automate content creation for clients. For those in the e-commerce industry, AI tools like Shopify's AI-powered store optimization are changing the game. AI-driven recommendation engines, chatbots, and automated email marketing sequences help online stores increase conversion rates and customer engagement. If you are running an online store or planning to start one, AI can significantly boost your revenue. Lastly, TubeMagic is an AI-driven YouTube growth tool that optimizes video titles, descriptions, and tags for better search rankings. YouTube automation is a growing trend, and by using AI-driven strategies, creators can generate passive income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. AI is no longer the future, it is the present. The right AI tools can save time, improve efficiency, and maximize profits. Whether you are a freelancer, content creator, or business owner, leveraging AI can help you build a scalable and sustainable online income stream. Which AI tool do you think has the most potential in 2025? Let us know in the comments below.